Forget everything you thought you knew about RVs. The year 2026 is ushering in a new era of mobile luxury where the open road meets unparalleled comfort. Prepare to have your perceptions shattered. These aren't just vehicles, they're rolling estates. The latest 2026 models are redefining what's possible, blending cutting-edge design with the grandeur of a five-star hotel. Step inside and the transformation is immediate. Expansive living areas boast designer furniture, panoramic windows, and smart layouts that maximize every inch of space, inviting you to relax in pure opulence. Culinary adventures on the road have never been more sophisticated. Fully equipped gourmet kitchens feature high-end stainless steel appliances, induction cooktops, and ample counter space, rivaling any high-end residential kitchen. Your private sanctuary awaits. The master bedrooms are true retreats, complete with king-sized beds, premium linens, ample storage, and intelligent lighting systems, ensuring a restful night's sleep wherever your journey takes you. Even the bathrooms have been reimagined into spa-like havens. Rain showers, smart mirrors, heated floors, and elegant fixtures provide a rejuvenating experience far beyond typical RV expectations. Technology seamlessly integrates into every aspect of these vehicles, from voice-activated controls for lighting and climate to advanced entertainment systems and robust connectivity. Your mobile haven is always smart and responsive. The luxury extends beyond the interior. Integrated awnings create expansive outdoor living spaces, often complemented by outdoor kitchens, entertainment centers, and sophisticated